What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to transfer funds on PayPal. Let's get straight into it. And for transferring funds to another PayPal account, what you want to do is to first log into your PayPal account, then click on send and request at the top of the page. Then you want to enter the recipient's email address or phone number, then enter the amount you want to transfer. And you got to choose the currency and the transfer type. Could be family and friends or goods and services, whatever. And you got to review the transfer details and click send payment. Now for transferring funds to a bank account, what you want to do is to first log into your PayPal account, then click on wallet at the top of the page, then click on transfer funds or withdraw. Then you want to select the bank account that you want to transfer funds to, and then you want to enter the amount you want to transfer. Of course, review the transfer details and then click transfer. Now for transferring funds to a debit or credit card, what you want to do is to log into your PayPal account first and then click on wallet at the top of the page, then click on transfer funds or withdraw. Then you want to select the debit or credit card that you want to transfer the funds to, then enter the amount you want to transfer, and of course review the transfer details and click transfer. Now a couple of tips for you guys is to first ensure that the recipient's email address or mobile number is correct, so you don't end up sending it to the wrong person, especially for that mobile number part. The second is to double check the transfer amount, currency and type, just to make sure everything is accordingly. You don't want to end up sending a wrong amount or selecting the wrong currency or the transfer type. The third, of course, is regularly review your account activities to detect any suspicious transaction. This is for safety reasons, of course, security reasons. That's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found it useful. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.